Good morning, students. We have done how to understand how to find the values quadrant wise trigonometric angles. Now today I am doing this type of questions. If cos x equals to minus half, x lies in third quadrant, you need to find sin theta, you mean sin x. Then cos x is already given, you need to find tan x, you need to find sec x, cosec x, cot x. Another 5 trigonometric angles based on this property. Okay, you already have done in 10th standard. If cos x equals to half, find sin theta, cos theta and all that. Now here it is negative half. X lies in third quadrant. So if you forget it, I am drawing a table like this. Here all positive silver tea cups, all STC, just so that you will not get confusion. Now third quadrant, sign is, this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. I have already explained you. Now in third quadrant, sign is negative, so you put minus before. Tan is positive, so you put it. Then sec, tan and which is positive, tan and cot. So this rest of all is negative. So put a negative sign like this and put a positive sign like this. Now half by Pythagoras theorem, you can find it out. Okay. So what is cos x means? If this is my x, so what is cos x? 1 by 2. Okay. So what will be this hypotenuse? This is root of this square minus this. So 4 minus 1, so 3. Correct? Vice versa if you do, what is the square of this is 3. What is this? 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. What is root 4 is 2. So from this triangle I can find the values. Now tell me what is sin x? Sin x is opposite upon hypotenuse. So it is root 3 by 2. Minus you have already written before. Tan x, what will be tan x? It is positive because in third quadrant, we need to find in third quadrant. What will be tan x? Root 2, root 3 sorry. What will be sec x? Sec x means 1 by cos x. So 1 by cos x means reverse of this. So it's 2. Cos x is 1 by sin x. So reciprocal of this or reverse, whatever you say, 2 by root 3. Cot x is tan ka ulta, tan ka reciprocal, so it is 1 by root 3. So this way you can find it out all the values. Suppose if I am doing one more question based on the same process, I write question number 5, tan x equals to minus 5 by 12, and where x lies? X in second quadrant. Okay, same thing you need to see here. So tan x, so which are the other 5 trigonometric angles? Sin x, cos x, sec x, cosec x, cot x. Now what is the next step? You can do it. Second quadrant, sin is positive. Which is the another function related with sin? Cosec. So cosec is positive. Rest all negative. Now 5 by 12. So by Pythagoras, this is angle x. Tan is 5. So 5, 12. So you know Pythagoras triplet, it is 13. So how to get sin x is 5 by 13. Cos x is based upon hypotenuse, so 12 by 13. Then sec is cos ka ulta, so it is 13 by 12. Cosec is sin ka ulta, so it is 13 by 5. And cot is tan ka reciprocal, so it is 12 by 5. So you can find out all the values in this way. So your homework will be question number 2 and question number 4. question 2, question 4 of exercise 3.2. This is your homework. And one more question if I'll give you is sine 7, question number 6. So these 3 are your homework. Thank you students. Any queries you can ask me anytime.